Welcome back everybody. So this is gonna be a quick update video for you guys on stock market, and before we get started, please smash that like button, and 100 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated guys. And if you're new here, consider subscribing. And if you want to get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, and 3 days of live trading in my Discord, check out the Patreon, and that link will be down below in the description. And now let's get right into it. So the Dow Jones rally continuing again, up 0.68%, Nasdaq going up 0.66%, S&P going up 0.59%, and look at right here, I mean this is just next level. Huge pump right here on Russell 2000, up 1.96% on the day. And here's 11 sectors that makes up S&P 500. We got everything in the green today on top. Basic materials leading the way, energy, consumer cyclical, communication services, financial, industrials, healthcare, real estate, utilities, consumer defensive, and technology. You would think that on a day like today, technology leading the way, but it's not. It's actually a laggard today, all the way here on bottom. So what we got here on stock market map, we definitely got some names lighting up right here on energy sector, XOM, Chevron up on the day, and then we got some names from industrials also going up. Big names like Boeing going up 1%, RTX 2.41%, and then Caterpillar 2.5%. Pfizer right here from healthcare going up finally 4% on the day. And then Magnificent 7, Amazon flat, Tesla going up 2%. Meta again today, it was up yesterday, again up today 1.66%. Google going up 0.69%. Nvidia staying down 1%, and then Microsoft going flat. We actually played Microsoft, and this thing from $1.35 went all the way up to $1.90, and that was a really nice trade on Microsoft. And then Apple going up 0.5%. Smaller regional banks all are up green on the day, and even bigger banks are up. JPM, Bank of America, and Wells Fargo all up green on the day. And now let's have a look at S&P 500 ETF SPY. On SPY ETF, it's up 0.61%. Now things are at really extreme right now. Everything is getting extremely overbought, and things are just staying overbought, and everything just going up every day. Not by a lot. You can see it's up $2.87 on the day, but slowly this thing is moving pretty much every day. We took a break right here for only 2 days, and look at this now, breaking out to a new 52-week high today, just under 475. So 475 breaks, you're going to see 479 to 480, and possibly even higher, which is insane without a pullback. Now if somehow we get a pullback, watch out for the support right here around 472, rising 5-day moving average, 470, 467. And once we get under 467, then we can talk about possibly a decent pullback all the way down to rising 13-day moving average right here, 464 to even 460 right here to retest this breakout all the way down here. Now if this thing pushes and gets above 475, definitely you're going to see 480 plus on SPY ETF. On QQQ, it's up 0.5%, and now closing at a fresh new all-time high, trading above 409. So this is just insane. You can see after this breakout, this thing never came back down. I mean, it just took off. And from here, guys, I mean, that is a $40 move right here, and still going without a pullback. I mean, look at right here, from this dip, this thing went straight up. I would not even call these red days, because mostly they were buying the dips. So we actually never went down for the day. It came right back up. So here on QQQ, if this thing can hold 409, and that is previous all-time highs, then watch out. We might be going all the way up to 420. Now on a pullback below 409, you want to watch 405, or I would say 406 right here as a support, and just below that 400, and then this gap 398.79. Now you would think that this thing would come back or at least fill this gap right here, but no, you can see we left so many gaps open, and things are just going to the moon right now. On DIA, it's up 0.68%, and you can clearly see right here, I had it last week, the next resistance 375, and we clearly broke through it right here, and now it's trading above 375, another fresh new all-time high. And look at this vertical move to the upside, no pullback, no signs of weakness. We left all these gaps open right here, and I mean, if you're looking to buy the dip, all I can say good luck, because there ain't no dip here in this market. We're going straight up. Now here on DIA, if you look at my screen, tomorrow 375 will be a support, and just below that 373, and if you get lucky, maybe a pullback all the way down to 367 down here. Above 375, the next stop right here, upper Bollinger Band sitting at 378, and just above that 380. On IWM, it's up 1.94%, and this one is doing much better than overall market. If you look at my screen, it's up almost 2%. And look at Nasdaq 100, S&P 500, and Dow Jones. You know, it's up green on the day, but nowhere near 2%. So this is a massive move, and why? Because of rate cuts coming next year, which is not a good news for the market because something broke inside. We just don't know. And this vertical move to the upside, I mean, whenever we see a pullback, it's going to be a big one. Just remember that, guys. Now here on IWM, we definitely got another breakout. Now it's trading above 198. And above 198, I mean, this thing also getting really overbought. Above 198, watch out for 202. And above 202, this thing can run all the way up to 220. Below 198, you want to watch the support right down here, and that's going to be a big one. The gap right here, 193.64, and then we can possibly talk about, you know, more downside down to even 190 or 188. On VIX, is down 0.24%, so nothing new here, and I'm not going to take a lot of your time. This thing needs to get above 13, and then we can talk about more upside. And below 13, just keep an eye on for a new 52-week low, and early as tomorrow, this thing can dump down to $12 right here. But one thing I want to point out right here, guys, Bollinger Bands are contracting right here. You can see Bollinger Bands are squeezing right here, and that means one thing. I mean, this thing already down so much, so I would think that if there is an explosive move here on VIX, this thing would break out to the upside. So watch out for that right here on VIX. Now on dollar. Dollar going down also today, 0.39%. So this was a dead cat bounce, just like I said before. And now if you look at my screen, it's below 102.33. So it needs to get above 5-day moving average right here, 102.33. And only above that, you're going to see a move here on dollar all the way up to 103.58. And below 102.33, watch out for the support down here around 102 right here. This is where lower Bollinger Band is sitting on dollar, and then watch out for flat 100. So the 10-year going down again today and barely holding above 38, 200 SMA right here. Below that, you're going to see huge dump off on TNX all the way down to possibly 35. Now 38 can hold right here. Once we get that breakout above 5-day moving average right here, 39.53, maybe then you're going to see a reversal from here, and this thing can move up to 40, possibly up to this high 43, and then 43.71 would be a big breakout to the upside and a reversal signal right here to see if this thing can actually come up here and break out above 43.71. Also keep that in mind, this thing is getting extremely oversold. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.